What's up, everybody, and welcome one more time here to my channel. I'm CryptoB, and today I'm gonna bring you some information about Polkadot. If you have not yet seen my shorts, my crypto shorts, I brought this story there as well, but I'm gonna bring here to you the reasons why I believe Polkadot maybe potentially will explode in the next bull market. So one of the things, Polkadot 2.0 vision, okay? Polkadot has announced a new vision for its network future, known as Polkadot 2.0, right? Polkadot founder Gavin Wood introduced the vision at the Polkadot Decoded 2023 event. The key change in Polkadot 2.0 is a new system for allocation block space, offering greater flexibility for developers to buy block space as needed. This change aims to make Polkadot more attractive to Web2 business adopting Web3 frameworks. The introduction of elastic cores is a central concept allowing flexible allocation of resource like relay chain security in real time, enhancing efficiency. Another thing is the core time allocation chains. Core time allocation in Polkadot 2.0 shifts from fixed slot leasing in Polkadot 1.0 to a dynamic tradable core time asset. Core time, representing validation and consensus time on the Polkadot relay chain, becomes purchasable through auction and a pay-as-you-go model. Oh, very interesting. This change aims to address the emerging needs of developers, increase liquidity for a DOT token, and make Polkadot more accessible for developers. The Polkadot components. Polkadot network comprises the relay chain, parachains, and bridges. Let's go by parts. The relay chain is the prime blockchain, ensuring network integrity and facilitating communication among parachains. Parachains are parallel blockchain hosting various layer 1 projects with adaptability to project-specific requirements. Bridges enhance interoperability between Polkadot and other blockchains network, allowing data sharing and asset transfer. The DOT token roles. DOT, Polkadot's native token, serves three roles: governance, operational, and slot auction. DOT holders participate in the network governance decision, ensuring a transparent and democratic structure. DOT tokens secure the network and incentivize validator through staking. Slot auction involving bonding DOT token to obtain a parachain slot to protect enhancing the network security and scalability. So what about the future of DOT and Polkadot, you may ask? Well, the utility of Polkadot is expected to increase DOT token demands and consequently value, especially if Polkadot 2.0 gains traction. Core time sales and DOT used in DeFi service can boost DOT's value and liquidity. Revenue from core time sales contributes to the Polkadot treasure, with DOT token holders deciding its allocation. The burning mechanism for unused token may have deflationary effect on DOT. That's very, very nice. Future DOT value depends on market dynamic, of course, adoption and development within the Polkadot network, including Polkadot 2.0. Well, guys, so these are some of the reasons why I believe Polkadot may explode in the next bull market. Well, now is the time for you to think, evaluate, learn, understand, go research and check the Polkadot ecosystem in order for you to see if that is something that is worth for you to invest. If you believe that Polkadot is going to be here in the next 5-10 years, if it's here for the future, if you believe in decentralization, if you believe in cryptocurrency, maybe this is a good opportunity for you out there on the Polkadot ecosystem. But of course, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, every engagement you have with this video, it helped me so much to grow. So go into the comments, leave a like, leave just a little comment, anything you like with the engaging with this video. It will just help me to gain more traction to my channel, and of course I'll be able to bring more and more content for you here. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.